to my website. This is Alex Makale, and in this video, I'm going to show you a really useful tool that can help you figure out how much you need to buy a house in Toronto. If you ever wonder how much do you actually need to buy a house for a down payment, what can you afford, this tool is going to make it super easy and super clear for you. So the way you do that is by going through my website. Once again, my website is alexmakali.ca. And once you are here, go to the menu and buying section and go to the calculators. In the calculators, choose the one that it says mortgage affordability calculator. And when you click on it, it will bring you to the calculator section. So in this section, what you do is you put in how much is your annual income. For example, if your income is, let's just say, for example, 120,000, and if you have a spouse, let's say your spouse makes $60,000, and a down payment, this could be anything. Your down payment could be your RSP, your TFSA, or your cash, any cash that you have in your bank. Put it in here. Let's just say, for example, if we have a cash, a combination of anything, RSP, TFSA, or cash. Let's say, for example, you have a $65,000 in your bank, and amortization, the normal amortization is 25 years, although some banks will allow you to stretch it to a 30 years amortization. So be conservative, do a 25 years. And also, let's say in Toronto, as you know, Toronto will have a double land transfer tax. So put in Toronto here. And also your living costs. For example, how much is the property tax? Let's just say 3,500 is the property tax. And if this is not a condo, you don't put anything here. If it's a condo, you put in your condo fee here. Also heating costs, let's say $100 a month. And these the debt payments would be your debt. If you have a credit card payments, if you have a loan or existing debt, put it in here. Let's say you have you're paying about $300 in your credit card, and if you have let's say car payments $500, and you can put it here any other expenses or responsibilities that you have. If you click here, it will tell you exactly how much that you can afford. So based on this, you can afford about $867,000 worth of a property, and this is the breakdown here. So this is based on the 3.79 fixed rate. So once again, the interest rate will dictate how much you can afford. Here it would also tell you your mortgage payment and your cash needed for you to purchase your monthly expenses. Oh, and one last note, this calculator provides only a rough estimate. A licensed mortgage broker can assess your situation in more detail, as there are many variables involved in the pre-approval process. If the number here appears lower than expected, it doesn't mean that you won't qualify. There are multiple strategies we can explore to strengthen your applications. If you find this helpful and would like to connect with us, feel free to reach us at www.alexmakali.ca.